Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we will see how can we use an Arduino to make music. Just using a speaker and a resistor. Like many similar projects, this one generates tones that match the notes of a piano. The Arduino library offers a tone function which can be used to generate square wave tones, but that function is unable to generate tones under 31 Hz. So we will try to generate square wave tones using simple delay. Things that you will need to make this project are an Arduino board, USB cable, piezoelectric buzzer or speaker, power jack, and a battery. First, upload the code to the Arduino board. The link is below in the description. Now design the circuit. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give it a big thumb. Share the video and don't forget to subscribe.